Hey, it's Sunday, and I wanted to remind you, do you know what happens on Tuesday? That's right, it's another Shelf Stable Recipe Collab Day. Always the first Tuesday of the month. And we had great success last month, and we have the same channels this month, and I think it will be great. Now, I hope you've all made your little binder, so you're putting in your recipes. I started to put some little divider pages, but they're not quite long enough, so I'm going to try something else. I just have 5. I have main, sides, sweets, other, and miscellaneous. So I wanted to show you a minute. See, we put them nice into our little protector. So there's last month, right? We had a lot of fun making our pie there, meat pie. But on Tuesday, whoops, there's your glimpse. Yes, we are going to make your own pizza, and I'm even going to show you how to make cheese if you have just 2 ingredients, just milk powder and an acidifier, like, vinegar or lemon juice, lime juice, something like that. You can then make your own cheese for the pizza. So everything I'm going to show you is shelf stable, and it's really quick to make. So I do hope, the cats are playing. So I do hope you join us Tuesday and look at all the videos, because I think it's going to be great. But I also wanted to give you another handout, and I put the link below. It was done by a channel called Prepared Not Scared blog. And I really like her blog. I believe she is probably an educator for Latter-day Saints for her, I don't know what it's called, but your group, your area. And she has a lot of great recipes and prepping information. But one of the things she prepared was non-fat dry milk recipes. And I mean, she has, which is great for your shelf stable, how to make it. Then she has that magic mix, which you can make a lot of things with, like white sauce. She has how to make certain soups, how to make pudding, sweetened condensed milk, a whole bunch of different things. There's pages, and it's so nice. She must have a little bit of a designer in her, because these are all nice. So I thought this would be great. I'm putting it in my other section of my binder, but I thought you might like it too, so I have the link down below. And hey, in one of my videos I forgot to put a link. If I do, just let me know right away, because sometimes when you load this, it's a multi-step process and you forget one step. So if I forget a link, let me know. And then also this week, on Thursday, I'm part of another collab. It is called Jam It Up June, and it was organized by Tony of Kettle Kitchen. And every single day in June, there's a new jam, jelly, or preserve video, all by different people each day. So pretty neat, and I'm making something pretty unusual, but it is tasty. It is rhubarb carrot jam. So I hope you join me Thursday and check out all the other Jam It Up June videos this month. Anyway, that's it. Just a short reminder that Tuesday is Shelf Stable Recipe Day. So make sure you check out the channel. I got the playlist below, and I add a video to the playlist every time a new one is posted. So if you see not available, it means it just hasn't been posted live yet. So join us Tuesday and join me Thursday. Thank you. I hope you have a fantastic week.